What happens when students understand a concept but cannot apply it? When they memorize formulas but struggle to reason? When learning feels complete inside the classroom yet disconnected from the real world? This gap between knowing and doing is one of the biggest challenges in education today. At ThinkTac, we exist to bridge that gap. ThinkTac works closely with schools to strengthen learning through structured experiential programs. Our approach is simple. We help students understand concepts deeply, think critically, and apply learning meaningfully while staying fully aligned to the school curriculum. We do this through three integrated programs designed for different stages of a child's learning journey. The journey begins in the early years with Toys and Tales, a story driven experiential program for nursery to grade 3. Through narrative, guided play, and exploration, children develop strong conceptual foundations in a joyful and engaging way. Toys and Tales is facilitated by the school's own teachers inside the classroom using simple tactile materials and stories that make learning memorable. As students grow, curiosity needs structure and rigor. That is where TACPower Science and Maths comes in. TACPower is a curriculum-aligned experiential program for grades 4 to 10. When introduced as a regular program, it is facilitated by the school's subject teachers, integrated seamlessly into everyday lesson plans. When offered as a club program, TACPower is facilitated by a ThinkTac STEM educator, bringing deeper engagement beyond the classroom period. In both formats, students build hands-on models using simple, repurposed materials, and learning often continues at home through experimentation and exploration at low or no cost. For students who want to go deeper to build, test, and create beyond the basics, the journey continues with STEM Forge. STEM Forge is an intensive, project-based learning program for grades 6 to 10, facilitated by ThinkTac STEM educators. Students explore advanced ideas, build prototypes, and iterate solutions over time. They learn by doing, developing problem solving, collaboration, and a true maker mindset while applying concepts to real world contexts. Together, Toys and Tales, TACPower Science and Maths, and STEM Forge form a complete experiential learning pathway. Curriculum aligned, designed for classrooms, accessible to every school. ThinkTac is not about adding more, it is about learning better. Because real learning happens when students think, explore, and apply. ThinkTac.